Imagine feeling different, not just less depressed, in just 15 minutes. That's what people in 2025 clinical trials are saying about a molecule so powerful, it's called the God molecule. It's 5-MeO-DMT, a psychedelic from toad venom and ancient plants, now fast-tracked by the FDA to treat depression. Today, we're diving into how it rewires your brain, its roots in shamanic rituals, and what it means for mental health's future. Stick around for a surprising fact about its safety, and let me know in the comments. Have you heard of this molecule before? So, what exactly is 5-MeO-DMT? It's a psychedelic compound, found naturally in the venom of the Sonoran desert toad, and in plants like the yopo tree of South America. Unlike regular DMT, which gives vivid visuals, 5-MeO is 10 times more potent, and its effects? They hit fast, within minutes, and fade in under an hour. That's why researchers are buzzing about it. It's short, intense, and potentially life-changing. Let's talk science. 5-MeO-DMT targets serotonin receptors in your brain, specifically 5-HT1A and 5-HT2A. Think of it like hitting a reset button on your brain's emotional wiring. It boosts neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to form new connections, almost instantly. In October 2025, Beckley Psytech's Phase 2b trials showed something incredible. Over 50% of people with treatment-resistant depression felt significant relief after just one dose. That's not just feeling better, it's feeling different. Now, compare that to antidepressants like SSRIs. They take weeks to work, tweaking serotonin slowly across your whole system. Unlike psilocybin, which needs hours of therapy, 5-MeO's sessions are short, perfect for clinics. And the experience? Patients describe an ego-dissolution, a sense of being connected to everything. One trial participant said, "I didn't just feel less sad, I felt part of something bigger." Could this be the future of mental health? But 5-MeO-DMT isn't new. For centuries, shamans in the Sonoran desert have used toad venom in spiritual ceremonies, calling it a gateway to the divine. In South America, indigenous tribes made yopo snuff from plants packed with 5-MeO, using it to connect with ancestors or heal trauma. They called it the God molecule for a reason. It wasn't just medicine, it was sacred. Today, those ancient practices are inspiring modern therapy. The idea of set and setting, a safe space and clear intention, comes straight from these traditions. But there's a catch. Overharvesting Sonoran toads is pushing them toward extinction. That's why clinical trials use synthetic 5-MeO-DMT, same effects, no harm to toads or traditions. It's a bridge between ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. Now, let's talk about the big news. In October 2025, the FDA gave breakthrough therapy status to Beckley Psytech's BPL-003, an intranasal form of 5-MeO-DMT. That means faster approval for treatment-resistant depression, because it's showing substantial improvement over existing options. Unlike MDMA, which hit roadblocks with the FDA, 5-MeO's short sessions make it easier for clinics to adopt. This could be a turning point. But it's not all smooth sailing. 5-MeO-DMT is still Schedule 1 in the US and many countries, meaning it's illegal outside research. Yet, places like California are pushing back. The 2025 AB 1103 bill is funding psychedelic research, following cities like Oakland that decriminalized psychedelics. Globally, the tide is turning, but slowly. If Phase 3 trials succeed, we could see 5-MeO-DMT in clinics by 2027. But challenges remain: training therapists, managing costs, and ensuring equitable access. Still, this could redefine how we treat depression, maybe even trauma or anxiety next. But before you get too excited, let's talk safety. 5-MeO-DMT is intense. It can trigger profound psychological shifts, and in rare cases, physical risks like serotonin syndrome if mixed with certain drugs. Recreational use without supervision? That's a bad idea. Clinical trials use precise doses in controlled settings for a reason. So, what's the safe way? Only use 5-MeO-DMT in professional settings, like trials or future clinics. Check for drug interactions. Resources like DanceSafe can help. And always prioritize set and setting. Your brain is powerful, treat it with respect. 5-MeO-DMT, the God molecule, is bridging ancient rituals and modern science, offering hope for millions battling depression. With the FDA's green light in 2025, we are on the cusp of a mental health revolution. What do you think? Will psychedelics like this become mainstream therapy? Drop your thoughts below. Oh, and that surprising fact? Synthetic 5-MeO-DMT could save the Sonoran toad from overharvesting. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay safe.